you sure you're not just gonna swim away? I know how much you love those mermaid stories. If the chance came, you'd probably choose them over me. You're not supposed to agree. Fine, whatever. Leave me for the merfolk. I see how it is. I'm just glad the wind died down. I was worried it would have been too cold for a beach trip, but they lucked out. What, the merfolk calling you? No, I'm pretty cozy here. You go ahead. Besides, if I'm gonna lose you to them, I'd rather not see it happen right in front of me. Come on, I'll be fine. It's good we got a chance to come here. Work has been so crazy for them. I still need a proper vacation, but a day trip will have to do for now. Unless they decide to leave me to chase after mermaids. Hey, that was quick. Merfolk didn't show? Hey, you alright? You look a little pale. Really? I guess with the weather, the water might be cold. Sweetheart, are you alright? Look at me. Easy, sit down. What is it? Your chest feels tight. Damn, probably because of the water. I'm here, I've got you. Bruise me, okay? I know. You gotta try. Try and take a deep breath. Oh, you're wheezing really bad. It's fine. You're gonna be fine, okay? I'm gonna get your inhaler. Where is it? Here. Okay. Take a puff, alright? Okay. Breathe. Is that better? No? Alright. Take another, right? How's that? Okay. Alright. I'm gonna need to call the ambulance, okay? I know. But sweetie, your inhaler isn't working and you can't breathe. I think we're gonna need some backup, okay? Hi, I'm at the Cosmos Beach and my partner is having an asthma attack. No, their inhaler isn't working. Okay. Alright, thank you. They're coming, sweetheart. They're 5 minutes away. At least the beach, right? Easy. Don't panic now, okay? Help is coming. It's gonna be okay. I'm right here. Here, let's keep her a bit here. Alright, okay. Try and breathe as deep and slow as you can, alright, sweetheart? I know it's hard. I know. I'm so sorry. But it's gonna pass. It always passes. You're gonna be okay. There. I can see them. Stop. Yeah, I'm their girlfriend. They got in the water. It was too cold. It's been a few minutes since the attack started. Easy, baby. Just let them help. Alright, yeah, I can pick them up. Come on. you in the ambulance so they can help you. Here. They're just gonna look at you. Don't panic. It's gonna be okay. See? They're just getting the nebulizer thing. I'm gonna get you all fixed up. Hey, there you go. Your breathing's better already. I wasn't worried. Okay, maybe it's been a while since you've had a bad one like that. See, look, you're doing so much better already. They're not gonna need the hospital, are they? Alright. Yeah, good. That's what I heard. See, you're all good. Just rest and breathe. I'm right here. Yeah, well, next time we'll go somewhere else.